Hello everyone. Today we will solve some exercises from sections 11.5 and 11.6. So 11.5 exercises on page 705. Sketch the graph of each quadratic function, label the vertex, and sketch and label the axis of symmetry. So now we have exercise 6 on page 705. F of x equal x squared minus 2. So this is a quadratic equation because here the power of x is 2, so this is a quadratic function. Now this function we can rewrite it like this. X squared we can rewrite it like x minus 0 quantity squared minus 2. So now compare this function with this one. F of x equal a times x minus h squared plus k. This is the equation of perpendicular. So the vertex is hk. So now here we have h is equal what? H equals 0 and k equal negative 2. So look at the sign. If the signs are opposite, so we take negative number. If the signs are like the same, we take positive. So here the vertex, excuse me, the vertex is 0, negative 2. Now find also axis of symmetry. Axis of symmetry is x equal h. In this example, h is 0, or h here is 0. So x equals 0. Now, let us also write the direction of perpendicular. For direction, look at A. In this example, A is 1. A is 1. So 1 is greater than 0. So if A greater than 0, so the graph is opens upward. While if A less than 0, so the graph opens downward. So here 1 is greater than 0, so the graph opens upward. So to graph this perpendicular, so first graph the vertex. So this is x-axis, this is y-axis. So 0, negative 2, this point is 0, negative 2. From this point, we graph perpendicular opens upward. Graph the perpendicular opens upward. And axis of symmetry x equals 0. So x equals 0 is the y-axis. This is axis of symmetry. Another example. 28. F of x equal negative or negative 1 times x minus 2 squared minus 6. So now if we compare this equation with the equation of perpendicular, this one. So h here is what? H is equal to. Why? So here the signs are the same. So we take positive. Or minus h equal minus 2. Divide by negative 1, so we get h is positive 2. While k equal what? Equal negative 6. So here the signs are opposite, so we take negative. So this is the vertex, 2, negative 6. Axis of symmetry. X equal h. In this example, h equal 2. So x equal 2 is the axis of symmetry. For the direction of perpendicular, look at A. A here is negative 1. Negative 1 is less than 0. So the graph opens downward. If A less than 0, so the graph opens down. So to graph this perpendicular, so first graph the vertex, which is 2, negative 6. So this is x-axis, this is y-axis. So 2, negative 6. This is move from the origin 2 units to the right, then 6 units down. So this point is 2, negative 6. From this point, 2, negative 6, graph perpendicular opens downward. And axis of symmetry is x equal 2. So this is x-axis. So 1, 2. From this point, graph vertical line parallel to y-axis. this is x equal to axis of symmetry. So you can find the coordinate for this point. This is y-intercept. So to find the y-intercept, just substitute 0 for x in the original equation. In this one, you can find y, or the y-intercept. This parabola never intersect x-axis, just intersect y-axis. Now, from section 11.6 exercises on page 712, find the vertex of the graph of each quadratic function. Also, this section is related to find the vertex of parabola. So now, if the function is written in this form, so we don't need to complete the square to convert it to f of x equal a times x minus h squared plus k. No, just we use another formula. So this function is written in this form. So if we compare this function with this, f of x equal ax squared plus bx plus c, so here we can find a, which is 1 here, the coefficient of x squared, b is 6, and c equal 5. So to find the vertex hk, h is negative b over 2a. Just substitute what is b, what is a. Then to find k, k is f of minus b over 2a. So let us find h first. H is minus b over 2a. So minus b is 6. 2 times a is 1. Simplify, so negative 6 over 2 equal negative 3. This is h. To find k, this is k. K equal f of minus b over 2a. So equal f minus b over 2a. This is minus b over 2a, which is h. Equal what? Equal negative 3. So find f of negative 3. To find f of negative 3, look at the function. This is f of x. F of x equal x squared plus 6x plus 5. So to find f of negative 3, just substitute negative 3 for each x. So we get negative 3 squared plus 6 times negative 3 plus 5. Simplify, negative 3 squared is 9. 6 times negative 3 is negative 18 plus 5. So equal negative 4. So this is k. K equal negative 4. So the vertex hk equal what? H is negative 3. K equal negative 4. Another example. This is exercise 56. If Raheem Gasper throws a ball upward with an initial speed of 32 feet per second. So here, this person throws a ball. So suppose this is a ball. So throws a ball upward like this. So if you look at the graph, it is like parabola opens downward. So this point is the vertex, which is hk. So now, if Raheem Gasper throws a ball upward with an initial speed of 32 feet per second, then it is height, this is the height, h, this is the height, after t seconds is given by the equation h of t equal negative 16 t squared plus 32t. Find the maximum height of the ball. Find the maximum height of the ball. So if you ask to find maximum height or minimum height, this means find the vertex k. So this point is hk, the vertex hk of the perpendicular. H here is what? Is the time. And k here is the height. So now the vertex here is h is the time, which is t here in this example, and the height here is h of t. So I need to find now h of t, which is the height. So now we have this equation, h of t equal negative 16t squared plus 32t, which is quadratic equation. So this equation is for perpendicular. Opens downward. Why? Because here a is negative 16. Negative 16 is less than 0, so the graph is open downward. Anyhow, now to find the maximum height, I mean to find this height. So first let us find t. T is what? T is minus b over 2a. What is b? What is a? In this example, a equal negative 16, the coefficient of t squared, and b equal 32. So minus b. B is 32 over 2 times a. A is negative 16. Simplify. So divide out by negative 32, so we get positive 1. So this is the time, which is 1 second. To find the height, h, after 1 second is equal what? So h equal f of minus b over 2a. Oh, here the function is what? Is h, not f. Is h. The function is h, not f. So this is h. Minus b over 2a is given, which is equal to 1. So now find h of 1. Look at this function, h of t equal negative 16t squared plus 32t. If I need to find h of 1, just substitute 1 for each t. So negative 16 times 1 squared plus 32 times 1. So the answer is 16. So this is the height in feet, the maximum. This maximum height occurs after how many seconds? After 1 second. So from now on, if you ask to find the maximum value or the minimum value, this means find the vertex k. So here h of t represent k. If we write here hk, h is the now is the time and k is the maximum height. Thank you.